All right, guys, welcome to part 2. It was going on for over 10 minutes, which is not good for editing later when I need to do edits. So we stopped the video there, but we're just taking a look at this really fancy looking plane. It looks very high quality for, well, obviously compared to everything else that I've flown so far. It's got a Spektrum receiver already hooked up with all the bits and bobs and doodads. There is one thing that is not hooked up, which is these two things here will hook up to something. And so I guess that will be something that I'll probably go and check out on the Brian Phillips. Brian Phillips is really good at doing these unboxings. I'm pretty sure that he unboxed this already and has done a thorough video on how to set this up. Opening this up is really easy, as you guys just
Likey